Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here for the Father's Day Bash Tablescape collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, The Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Design with Emma, Barbie Daily Rural Life in the Valley, and me, Jennifer at Home. Be sure to check out all these channels and any other participating channels. They'll all be listed below. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'm going to put together a tablescape that I know my husband will love. He really loves football, and now I'm going to decorate the table with a football theme because I know he will be so happy that he won't have to wait to have some of his favorite football snacks and treats clear until football season this fall. I'll keep things simple with these white plates, and then I'll start adding accessories to dress up the table for Father's Day. After church on Father's Day, we love to come home and have a wonderful meal of my husband's choice, and then it's time to sit back and relax and play some cards and games. I'll bring in his Father's Day gift wrapped in a green gift bag. This will coordinate nicely with the table and with the green tablecloth. I'll also include a couple of his favorite snacks and treats that go right along with football season. And there we have it. In no time at all, we're completely set up for Father's Day. I know my husband is going to absolutely love this, and he's going to love the food that I'm going to fix as well. I am so happy you were here. I had such a wonderful time putting together this tablescape for Father's Day. I know my husband is going to love it. And don't forget to check out all of the other channels that are participating in this collaboration. They'll all be listed below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.